Hello students, today we will study about factors affecting photosynthesis. Factors affecting photosynthesis. So what are the factors that affect photosynthesis? They are sunlight, chlorophyll, CO2 and water. So what are the factors that affect photosynthesis? They are sunlight, chlorophyll, CO2 and water. So let us let us discuss some facts first. The experiment on photosynthesis. Before conducting experiment on photosynthesis, SYN THESIS PHOTOSYN THESIS. We must keep in mind that green leaves, what do they make? They make starch as food. And when we add some drops of iodine to the starch, it gives blue black color. So we must keep in mind that green leaves make a starch as food, and when some drops of iodine are added to starch, it gives a blue black color. Blue blackish color. Ordinarily, what happens? Green leaves have a starch. Green leaves have a starch. So before using a plant having green leaves, in a photosynthetic experiment, before it is quite essential that we must remove this starch from the green leaves, or in other words, we must de-starch the leaves. How can we do it? We can do it by keeping the plant in a dark room for how many days? For at least 3 days. So we can remove this starch by keeping the plants in a dark room for 3 days. In the 3 days, what will happen? That the plant will use all the starch that is stored in the leaves. The plant will use all the starch that is present in the leaves, and now no starch will be left after 3 days. No starch will be left in the plants. That means leaves are now de-starched. So for de-starching the leaves, it is necessary to keep the plant in a dark room so that all the starch which is stored in the leaves might be used by the plants, and after 3 days what happens? The leaves are de-starched. Now we must keep one thing in mind, that plants which are going to be used in the experiments must be potted plant. That means plant growing in a pot. So we need an experiment. Let us conduct an experiment to show that sunlight is essential for photosynthesis. Let us conduct an experiment to show that sunlight is essential for photosynthesis. So let us take a potted plant first. Let us take a potted plant having green leaves. The leaves must be green. And now let us de-starch. The leaves by keeping them in a dark room for how many days? For 3 days. Now the leaves are de-starched. Now let us take a thin stripe of aluminum foil or black paper and cover the middle portion on both sides of the leaves. So let us cover this middle portion on both sides of the leaves, either with a thin strip of aluminum foil or black paper. What is the purpose? The sunlight must not enter them. Now let us keep this potted plant in sunlight for 3 to 4 days. Now let us pluck this. Let us pluck this particular leaf from the plant and pluck the leaf and remove the aluminum foil remove the aluminum foil. Now let us put this leaf in a beaker containing alcohol. Which contains alcohol. Now let us place this particular beaker in a water bath or bigger beaker which contains water. And we have put this particular leaf here. Let us make the burner. This is the knob of the burner. You might have seen in the laboratory. This is the stand. Here we have alcohol. This is a small beaker. It is water bath. This is the leaf. This is the stand, and this is the burner. So we plug this particular leaf and place it into a beaker containing alcohol, and we put this particular beaker inside a water bath or a big beaker and heat it. So we cannot heat the alcohol directly because alcohol is highly inflammable and it might catch fire. So when it is heated to remove the chlorophyll. After that, let us wash this particular leaf. So any amount of chlorophyll sticking to the leaf must be removed. So we wash it with water to remove any amount of chlorophyll sticking with it. Now let us keep this particular leaf in a petri dish. petri dish. We keep this particular leaf in a petri dish. This is de-starched leaf, decolorized leaf. The color has totally changed. The color has totally changed. It is decolorized leaf here. Now we add some drops of iodine to it. We add some drops of iodine to it with the help of dropper. So with the help of dropper, this is dropper, we add a few drops of iodine to the leaves. So what will happen? What will happen ultimately? Both sides of the leaf which were not covered, which were uncovered, they give blackish blue color. They give blackish blue color. Blackish blue color. But the uncovered part, but the covered part, it didn't receive, the color doesn't change because it didn't receive sunlight, so no starch was formed. So it proves that sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis. So we have conducted this experiment to show that sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis. What have we done? First of all, we have taken a potted plant which have green leaves, and we de-starch these particular leaves by keeping them in a dark room for 3 days. Now we take a thin strip of aluminum foil and wrap it around the leaf in the center on the both sides, so that sunlight might not enter to this part of the leaf. Now again we put this potted plant now in sunlight for 3 to 4 days, so that a starch could be made. Now we plug the partially covered leaf from the plant and put it in a small beaker containing alcohol, and we put that particular beaker containing alcohol into a water bath, and then we heat it. A beaker containing alcohol cannot be heated directly because alcohol is a highly inflammable liquid and it might catch fire. So precaution must be taken care of. So after heating, we wash it with water. So any amount of chlorophyll which might have been sticking with the leaf might be wiped out. Now we put this particular leaf into a petri dish. Due to heating, all the green color has vanished, and we add some amount, you can say few drops, not some amount, few drops of iodine to it. What is the result? The both sides of the leaf, they appear blue black or black bluish, but the middle part remains unchanged because sunlight couldn't enter the middle part of the leaf as it was covered with aluminum foil or a black paper. So it's essential that sunlight is quite necessary for photosynthesis. So with this we finish this particular video, and please subscribe my video and do like and not you have to subscribe my video, you have to subscribe my channel and like and share my videos. Thank you.